शुक्लां ब्रह्मविचारसारपरमाम् आद्यां जगद्व्यापिनीं वीणापुस्तकधारिणीमभयदां जाड्यान्धकारापहां हस्ते स्फाटिकमालिकां विदधतीं पद्मासने संस्थितां वन्दे तां परमेश्वरीं भगवतीं बुद्धिप्रदां शारदाम्. Next dhatu is Gupurakshane. Look at Gupurakshane in the dhatu patha. Gupurakshane, to protect. Rakshane Gupadhatuhu Rakshanarthe Prayujyate. Gupu dhatu is used in the sense of Rakshanam, protection. Yeah, what is the swara? Gupu. Where is Gupu? Yeah. What is the swara? Yeah, Udatta Anudatte. Where is it?
Page 44 in Dhatupatha.
44.
Atha Parasmai Bhasha. Atha Atmani Bhasha.
Yeah.
697. Gupu Gopane.
That is different. Gupu Rakshane dhatu. Gupu Rakshane dhatu, not Gupu Gopane.
So Bhadigana is this. Almost Chura.
No, in Bhadigana only you will find Gupu Rakshane. Gupu Bhadi 276 sutra number. Yeah.
Page 18.
276. Where is it?
Gupu Rakshane.
Yeah. Gupu Rakshane. 276 Gupu Rakshane. Parasmai Bhashaha. Yeah, Gupadayaha Udatta Udattetaha. Udatta. This is Udatta. The swara of the dhatu is Udatta. And the swara of it, this U is it being Anunasika. It is Udatta. Therefore, it is Udattet. Since the it is Udatta, it is Udattet. U is it. Upadeshe Janunasika it. Since it is Udattet, it is Parasmai Bhasha. That is why in the heading you find Atha Parasmai Bhashaha. Parasmai Bhashaha means Parasmai Padinaha ityarthaha. Parasmai Padinaha Dhatavaha. Gupu Rakshane. So, now there is a sutra for Gupu Rakshane. Gupu Dhupa Vichi Pani Panibhyaha Ayaha. Number 3128. 28. Gupu dhupa vichhi pani panibhya ayaha. There is a list of dhatus. Gupu rakshane dhatu. Then dhupa dhatu. Dhupa is another dhatu. Dhupa santape. Then vichha gatau dhatu. It is in tudadi gana. And panavyavahare stutau cha. And panacha. Pana is stutau. So these are the dhatus. And these dhatus take aya pratyaya. Aya, the pratyaya aya comes to them. So dhatoho anuvritti is there from 3, 1, 5 or 6. There is dhatoho. Pratyayaha parascha. Yeah. Gupu dhupa vichhi pani panibhyaha. Panchami bahuvachanam. Dhatubhyaha. Dhatoha will become dhatubhyaha. Paraha, after them. Ayaha. Pratyayaha. Bhavati. After these dhatus, aya pratyaya comes. Aya is a pratyaya. Aya. This is the pratyaya. And this aya pratyaya, the meaning of this aya pratyaya is not mentioned. Generally, when Panini gives a pratyaya, he will mention the meaning of the pratyaya. But here, aya pratyaya, meaning is not given. There is no artha nirdesha for this pratyaya. Therefore, this is anirdishtartha pratyaya. Anirdishtartha pratyaya. That means the meaning of this pratyaya is not mentioned, is not specified. Therefore, there is a paribhasha. In fact, in addition to Ashtadhyayi, we have another set of rules in the Paninian grammatical tradition. We have another set of rules. They are called paribhashas. You can get a book of paribhashas. Paribhashendu Shekhara. There is a whole book which elaborates, which comments on all these paribhashas. So, the paribhasha is anirdishtarthaha pratyayaha swarthe bhavanti. When there is an anirdishtartha pratyaya, it is swarthe. Swarthe means it is in the same sense as that of to which it is added. So, if aya pratyaya is added to gupu dhatu, it is added in the same sense as gupu dhatu. That means there is no change in meaning. This pratyaya does not cause a change in meaning. That is the idea. That kind of pratyayas are called swarthika pratyayas. In Tadhita also there are swarthika pratyayas. Similarly, here also some swarthika pratyayas are there. So see the book. Gupu dhupa vichipani panibhya ayaha. Gupu dhupa vichi pani panibhyaha ayaha ebhyaha ayah pratyaya syat swarte ebhyaha dhatubhyaha. After these dhatus, ayah pratyaya syat. Ayah pratyaya should be added. Swarte, it is a swartha, swarthika pratyaya, because there is no other meaning. That means the addition of this pratyaya does not cause any change in the meaning. So now this pratyaya is enjoined stating dhatoh. Now, whether this pratyaya is a sarvadhatuka pratyaya or ardhadhatuka pratyaya, is this pratyaya sarvadhatuka or ardhadhatuka? What is sarvadhatuka pratyaya? Ting shit sarvadhatukam. This is neither ting pratyaya nor shit pratyaya. Therefore, ardhadhatukam sheshaha. So go to ardhadhatukam sheshaha and remember what is ardhadhatukam. So aya pratyaya is an ardhadhatuka pratyaya. So now gupu dhatu. Plus lat. I am going to take up lat. In the place of lat, latastibadayaha, lasyatibadayaha. Therefore, gup plus tip, ti. But even before that, okay, we need not go into this. Just take gup. When you take gup, you have to add aya. Aya. Gup plus aya. Aya, because no other criterion is given. When lat follows, it comes. Such conditions are not given. Therefore, when you get gup, add aya. So aya is ardhadhatuka. Therefore, puganta laghupadhasya cha iti gunaha. This is laghupadha. There is laghupadha guna. So puganta laghupadhasya cha iti gunaha. It will become gop plus aya. Gopaya. It becomes Gopaya. So, yeah, wait. So now it became Gopaya. Now, if you have to add lat to Gopaya, Gopaya has to become a dhatu. Only after dhatu you can bring a lat, etc. But what is a dhatu? This is a dhatu. This is not a dhatu. This is dhatu plus something. It has become it is not a dhatu yet. Therefore, Panini gives dhatu sanjna to this. Yeah, there is a sutra. What is it? Sanadyantaha dhatavaha. Dhatavaha. Number
3132.
3132. See, now go to your Ashtadhyayi Sutra Patha 3.1. See, 3.15. The sutra is Guptich Kidbhyas San. So, this sutra is seen in 3.15. San. So, San Pratyaya. San Adi. Starting with the San. There are so many Pratyayas. See, 3.15 there is a San. Then 3.16 also San. Then Kyach. 3.18 Kyach. Then there is a Kamyach 3.19. Then there is a Kyang, Kyash. All these pratyayas are there. Kyach, Ning, Yang, Nich. So, Yak, Iyang, Aya, Iyang, and Kamer, Ning. So, 3.130, 3.15 up to 3.130. 3.130. After that there is no pratyaya. Then 3.132 is Sanadyanta Dhatavaha. So 3.15 up to 3.130, there are several pratyayas enjoined, and these pratyayas are sometimes enjoined after dhatus, and some pratyayas are also enjoined after a pada, and sometimes they are, pada means subanta. Supaha atmanaha kyach. It is enjoined after subanta, pada. And sometimes they are enjoined after pratipadika. Pratipadika dhatvarthe bahulam ishtavaccha sarva pratipadikebhyaha quib vavaktavyaha. So even quip which is enjoined in this section. There is other quip also which is krit, a krit pratyaya. That is not taken here. This quip is different. Yeah. So there are totally 12 pratyayas. San, Kyach, Kamyach, Kyang, Kyash, Quip, Nich, Yang, Yak, Aya, Iyang, Ning. 12 pratyayas. And this list of 12 pratyayas begin with san. Therefore, they are called sanadi pratyaya. San adihi yesham te sanadayaha. Bahuvrihi samasa. And sanadayaha ante yesham te sanadyantaha. The group of letters of which san is at the end. The words ending with san, sanadi. Words ending with any pratyaya of this group. They are called dhatu. Sanadyantaha dhatavaha. If a word ends with these pratyayas, then it gets dhatu sanya. What is the other sutra which gave dhatu sanya? Huh? Bhuvadayo dhatavaha. So bhuvadayo dhatavaha. That sutra gave dhatu sanya to all the words listed in dhatu patha. Bhuvadayaha, starting from bhu. Whatever is listed in dhatu patha are called dhatu. That is the meaning of bhuvadayo dhatavaha. Then this sutra gives another dhatu sanya. So there are two sutras giving dhatu sanya. So now you can write this question. Mention the two sutras which give dhatu sanya. So these two sutras. Yeah. So now with these pratyayas you can make new dhatus. So many new dhatus are possible. See, in English also we have some derivative roots like Google, Googling. Yeah, so many new dhatus are possible. Derived roots and derived verbs. Bangalored, Bangaloring. There, it is also a dhatu in English. So Bangalore becomes a dhatu. So, but in English the scope is limited. Only what the white man uses we have to use. That's all. So, but Sanskrit, there are rules for this. Making new roots, new dhatus. Any word can be made into a dhatu. See, sarva pratipadikebhyaha quip. You add a quip to any pratipadika, it becomes a dhatu. So there are plenty of ways to make dhatus. In fact, with these 12 pratyayas, you can make infinite number of dhatus. So, sanadyantaha dhatavaha. This is a Sanya Sutra. So now Gopaya becomes a dhatu by sanadyantaha dhatavaha. It is ending in aya, and aya is a sanadi. It comes under these pratyayas. Therefore, it is a dhatu. And after getting dhatu sanya, you can bring lat, lit, whatever. So, gopaya plus lat, kartari. So, I am adding lat in kartari. You can choose in your own way. You can add lat in kartari or karmani or bhave. For gopaya it will be karmani or bhave. Yeah, karmani, because it is a sakarmaka dhatu. Yeah, gopo dhatu is a sakarmaka dhatu. Who does he protect? There is a karma. Rajaha prajam gopayati is sakarmaka. Therefore, karmani. But even the sakarmaka dhatus, if you don't want to mention the karma, then even bhave is fine. You can consider it as a karmaka. If you don't want to mention the karma. Yeah. So it's a sakarmaka dhatu. But now we are adding karmani, kartari, not karmani. Karmani and bhave will come much later in Lagu Siddhanta Kaumudi. So gopaya plus lat, latastibadayaha, gopaya plus ti, then kartari shap, gopaya plus a, shap is a plus ti. Now, what will this shap do? Shap is sarvadhatuka or ardhadhatuka? Shap is sarvadhatuka or ardhadhatuka? Yeah, why? Shit. Ting shit sarvadhatukam. It is shit, therefore sarvadhatuka. Can it cause guna or vriddhi? It doesn't. There is no place for guna or vriddhi, because iko guna vriddhi. There is no ik here. So sarvadhatuka ardhadhatuka yoho guna or vriddhi will not happen. And laghupadhasya is not possible. Therefore no guna and vriddhi. Therefore gopaya plus a. So now see, between these two, what will happen? Gopaya. No. Yeah, Savarna Dirgha is Prapta, but there is another sutra. We have seen much before. No, Prathamayoha Purva Savarna is Prathama Vibhakti Dvitiya. This is not Vibhakti. Ato Gune. Yeah. So there is Apadanta Akara followed by Guna. Yeah. So Ato Gune. So Gopaya Pararupa Ekadesha happens and Ti Gopayati. Gopayati, Gopayataha, Gopayanti. Rest are simple. Gopayasi, Gopayathaha, Gopayatha, Gopayami, Gopayavaha, Gopayamaha. These are the forms in Lat. So now we have to get into Lit. Lit is always a gymnastics. We have to go a long way in Lit. So many things are there. See, yeah. See the book. Sanadyanta dhatavaha sanadayaha kamer ningantaha pratyayaha ante yesham te dhatu sanjakaha sanadayaha sanadyantaha. So he explains what is sanadyanta. Sanadayaha, sanadi pratyayas, up to which kamer ningantaha, up to the sutra kamer ning, that is 3130 I suppose. Kamer ning, yeah. Pratyayaha, these pratyayas, ante yeshamte, the words ending with these pratyayas. Te dhatu sanjakaha, they get dhatu sanja. What gets dhatu sanja? Sanadi antaha. Dhatutvan ladadayaha. Since they have dhatu sanja, they get ladadi. So Gopaya gets dhatu sanja by this sutra, then it gets ladadi pratyaya. So this is about lat lakara. Now lit, lidadesha, lit, the adesha in the place of lit. What is the adesha in the place of lit? Tip, tas, jhi, etc. Yeah. So these lidadeshas, are they sarvadhatuka or ardhadhatuka? The tip, tas, ji, etc. in the place of lit, are they sarvadhatuka or ardhadhatuka? How? How? Yeah, I am asking about the thing in the place of lit. Thing which is a lidadesha. Lidadesha means in the place of lit. The thing means tip, tas, ji, etc. When it comes in the place of lit, is it sarvadhatuka or ardhadhatuka? Huh? No, it is ardhadhatuka. We have seen the sutra lit cha. Yeah. Tingshit sarvadhatukam is a general rule. But then there are certain things also which become ardhadhatuka. Lit cha. What is the meaning of lit cha? Yeah. Lidadeshaha ting ardhadhatuka sanjaha. If the thing is lidadesha, then it is ardhadhatuka. If the thing has come in the place of lit, then it is not sarvadhatuka. Yeah, it is ardhadhatuka. So, now this gupu dhatu, it will take aya, then what will come is ardhadhatuka. When we discuss lit, what will come after gopaya will be lit, and then the lidadesha will be ardhadhatuka. There is no sarvadhatuka in lit. Therefore, Panini says when ardhadhatuka is going to come, then this aya etc. are optional. आयादयः आर्धधातुके वा. Number 3131. Yeah. So ayadayah pratyayah. The aya etc. pratyayas. Ayadayah, not sanadayah. Aya adayah. Aya adayah. Aya adayah means starting with aya. After aya, what is told? Ning. Yang and ning. Aya, yang and ning. These three pratyayas. These three pratyayas are optional when ardhadhatuka is going to come. Aya, iyang, not yang, iyang and ning. Rite riyang. Aya, iyang and ning. These three pratyayas are optional when ardhadhatuka is going to come. So this ardhadhatuke, it is not parasaptami. Not parasaptami. Ardhadhatuke is saptami, but here it is not parasaptami. Parasaptami means when ardhadhatuka is there, ayadaya is optional, could have been there. But it is not parasaptami here. It is vishaya saptami. That means when ardhadhatuka is going to come in the context of ardhadhatuka. So because aya is added even before those pratyayas are added. See, ayadaya ardhadhatuke va. Ardhadhatuka vivakshayam. Ayadayaha vasyuhu. Yeah. Ardhadhatuka vivakshaya. When you are going to add ardhadhatuka, so you have to plan earlier what you are going to add. So then you have to decide whether aya will come or not. So depending on your vivaksha. So even before cooking, you have to decide what vegetables to get. Ardhadhatuka vivakshayam ayadayaha vasyuhu. Yeah. So therefore, in lit or any ardhadhatuka, see, in so many contexts only ardhadhatuka will come. After after this dhatu will be followed by ardhadhatuka in many cases. Like even in ashirling. Yeah, ashirling, it will be ardhadhatuka. Then even this lut, Sya and tas will come. Syatasil rulutoho. Tas will come. Tas is ardha dhatuka. So not necessarily thing is ardha dhatuka. The tas itself is ardha dhatuka. What is followed by dhatu is going to be ardha dhatuka. See, in lut, bhu plus tas, dhatu is followed by ardha dhatuka. Even then, this is optional. So wherever dhatu is going to be followed by ardha dhatuka, aya is optional. So in which all lakara it happens, you can analyze. In which lakaras dhatu is going to be followed by ardha dhatuka. Yeah. So now we have two options. One is with aya. So option doesn't make it simple in Panini. Okay. Option makes it complicated. Generally we say optional, it is simple, simplified. But here it is going to be complex. One is with aya, another is without aya. Two forms will be there. So first we will see this option. Then we will come to this later. One is aya paksha, another is aya abhava paksha. With aya. So we get gopaya. Gopaya plus lit. So gopaya plus lit. Then we have a vartika. Kasyaneka cha am vaktavyaha. Yeah. This is not a vartika exactly. It's a slightly modified form of a vartika. So kasi anekachaha am vaktavyaha. So he gives the okay. So the meaning is see the meaning can be seen in the footnote. Kas dhatoho अनेकाज धातोश्च आम स्यात् लिटि इत्यर्थः. Yeah. So kasi and anekachaha. So kasi is kas dhatu. Kasr, in fact it is kasr dhatu. And so kasr is the dhatu and any anekach dhatu. Anekach means more than one vowels. The dhatu should consist of more than one vowels. That kind of dhatu is called anekach dhatu. Kasra shabda kutsayam. Just a minute. Okay. Kasra shabda kutsayam. Yeah. Kasra is used in the sense of shabda, sound, and kutsa. Kutsa means ninda, condemning. So So kas dhatu as well as any anekach dhatu. There will be so many anekach dhatus. So all the anekach dhatus get am when lit follows. Now this gopaya is an anekach dhatu. How many achs are there?
Three.
Yeah, three achs. Three vowels are there. Which are the three vowels? O, A, A. Yeah. So it is an anekach. Therefore, when lit follows, it will get am. Now, whether am is an agama or a pratyaya, he doesn't say. Panini doesn't say. But what will we understand when am is given in Ashtadhyayi? What will we understand? Whether we will understand it as okay, am is a myth. That is what we will understand. In am, makara is at the end, and since makara is at the end, the ma will become it. Halantyam, makara will become it. Therefore, it is a myth. And generally, a myth is an adesha. Sorry, an agama. Myth is an agama generally. Midachontyat paraha. And this myth, only a will remain. Makara is it. Myth is, where will myth go? It will go antyadachaha paraha. So final ach, it will go after that. After the a, it will go and fit wherever. That is what we will understand. If nothing is told, we would have thought so. We would have dropped this makara, we would have made it it and dropped. But then there is another indication, not directly told, but indicated. See, kas, Panini has enjoined am to kas. Kas and another as also. Dayayasascha. So as and kas. To these two dhatus also, he has enjoined am. He has enjoined am when lit follows. Now, supposing we have followed that way, we have dropped makara and we could have added this a to antyadachaha paraha, then what will happen? Ka. Where will a come? Yeah, savarna dirgha will happen. Ka plus savarna dirgha. A plus savarna dirgha. It would have been redundant. You don't get anything extra. Therefore, enjoining am to as and kas would have been redundant if am was intended to be an ade agama with the makara it. Therefore, we should understand that Panini doesn't want this am, the makara, to be it. Panini does not intend makara to be it. Therefore, it is am. Makara is not it. Therefore, it is not a myth. Therefore, it is not an agama, it is a pratyaya. To avoid the redundancy of the injunction of am to as and kas, we should take am as a pratyaya with the makara. So therefore, gopaya plus am plus lit. This is what we get. Gopaya plus am plus lit. Am pratyaya is added. See, now he has made a statement. Only after this explanation you can understand this statement. Liti askasoho am vidhanat masya netvam. Yeah. So liti, when lit follows, as kasoho, as dhatu and kas dhatu. To these dhatus, am is enjoined. If makara was intended to be it, then am vidhana to these two dhatus would have been redundant, useless. Panini won't make any useless thing. In that case, he would have avoided only anekachaha am, he could have told. Therefore, to make that injunction meaningful, we have to accept masya na itvam. Makara is not it. So makara, am is with the makara, not without makara. So liti askasoho am vidhanat. So this is a jnapaka. Jnapaka means an indication. Panini will not directly say sometimes. He will indicate certain things. And we have to figure it out. So Panini has enjoined am to as and kas. It is a jnapaka to understand that am is with the makara. Makara is not it. So liti askasoho am vidhanam makarasya anitvasya jnapakam bhavati. Makarasya itva abhavasya jnapakam bhavati. Yeah. We'll continue in the next class. Vrittavasane natarajarajo nanadadhakkam navapanchavaram uddhartu kamassanakadi siddhan etadvimarshe shiva sutrajalam.